This is a review of high capacity battery. This is for Dyson V10 SV12 6500 mAh in short circuit protection, overcharge protection, over temperature protection, and over power protection. These are the compatible models: V10 Animal, V10 Absolute, V10 Motorhead, V10 Fluffy. These are the instructions. Let's go ahead and change it. This is our Dyson. Let's go ahead and take out the screws. Then we're going to go ahead and install it. That's the first one. And there are two right here at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and that's it. We can go ahead and remove this. That's easy. Oh, alright. It has filter also. There are two filters. That's awesome. And we have the tools, screwdriver. And here is our battery. Look at that. They also send extra screws if you don't have it. Let's go ahead and compare it. This is the original one and this is EGR. We're just gonna go ahead and put it right there. See, it fits perfectly. Let's test it first. It is working perfectly. There is an indicator right there. Let's look at the other side. Yep. Last thing you need to do is we're just gonna put the screws this direction and this direction, and the last one is gonna be right there. And these. Now it's good. Let's change it. Okay. I never charged this and I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. I can suggest this product because it is almost 100% identical to the original one, and it has two filters. Let's take the first one and see. This is wonderful. And let's take the old one and put the new one. Yep, it is brand new right now. Battery and the filter. Let's go ahead and charge it. Now it's charging. Now it is completely charged.